Hi guys, today we are diving into Gemini AI, a powerful tool that leverages the latest in artificial intelligence for productivity and automation. Whether you're a student, developer, or just someone curious about AI, this tutorial will walk you through step by step on how to use Gemini AI effectively. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about what Gemini AI is. Gemini AI is an advanced AI powered tool designed to help you automate tasks, assist with complex problem solving, and improve your workflow. It uses machine learning models to handle tasks like data processing, natural language understanding, and even generating content. It's super versatile and can be used in various industries like healthcare, marketing, and tech development. The best part, it's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to AI, Gemini AI makes it easy to start. Now that you know what Gemini AI is, let's go ahead and set up your account. First, open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Gemini AI. Now head over to the official site, that is gemini.google.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign in button, sign up if you don't have an account, and sign in if you already have an account. Now, you can create an account using your email or even sign in with Google and other services. After logging in, you'll be greeted by Gemini AI's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can access different tools, explore templates, or even dive into API integration if you're into development. Once you're in, the dashboard is where you'll find all the key options. At the top, you have this small 3-line icon, that is collapse menu button. Click on this and you'll be able to see the recent chats. You'll be able to start a new chat by clicking on this plus icon. Click on the show more and you'll be see all the history of your chats with Gemini AI. Now you also have some tools here, that is Gemini Manager. Click on this. It is going to open up this Gemini Manager page where you can choose all these pages to start with Gemini AI. You can click on Brainstormer and Brainstormer mode for Gemini will be opened up. You can click on Try Now and upgrade to a plan. Click on Start Trial, complete the payment, and you'll be able to use this feature from Gemini. Now you also have the option to click on Help and you can navigate to Privacy Hubs. You can see all the updates related to Gemini. You'll be able to see the help. You can see FAQ and you have this settings icon at the bottom left. Now you have 3 more options, that is extensions, public links, and dark theme. Click on extensions and you'll be able to see all the extensions available from Gemini to use on other tools or from other applications from Google to be used on Gemini. You can turn on and off for any extension that you want to connect Gemini with. Now click on settings again, click on this dark theme and it is going to instantly turn this page into a non-dark theme. If you want to enable it, just toggle the switch on and you'll be in dark theme. You also have the applications button at the top. You'll be able to see all the applications from Google Workspace Marketplace available. Now in order to get started with Gemini AI task or prompting, click on the plus new chat icon at the top left. This is going to open up this page. Now on this page, you will have this enter a prompt section here. You also have the option to upload image and use your microphone. So navigate to enter a prompt section and you can ask Gemini anything you want to know. You can ask questions, you can get creative answers, you can create strategies, you can create video scripts, you can do a variety of things using Gemini. So go ahead and prompt Gemini anything you want. So go ahead and ask Gemini, can you create a 5-minute YouTube script for me? Now click on this small submit icon and Gemini will prompt with a YouTube script quickly. As you can see, it's pretty quick. Now you can go ahead and type in the specificity of the script that you need. So I will need create the script on a video explaining capitalism with the lens of Mark Fisher. So after typing in your prompt, click on submit and Gemini will quickly generate a video script with the duration you have given, with the theme you have given, and the topic you have chosen. As you can see, it says, have you ever felt trapped in a world that seems to be constantly accelerating, where the future always seems just out of reach? Today, we'll explore this phenomena through the lens of Mark Fisher, a cultural theorist who delved deep into the complexity of capitalism and its impact on our psyches. As you can see, the script seems pretty engaging. It's good. The first on the body of this script is capitalism as a mode, the acceleration condition, the end of history, the atrophy of future, resisting capitalism, outro, visuals, and sound. So ChatGPT has generated this excellent script. Now you have the option to mark it as a good response or a bad response. If you like this script, you can click on good response. You can also provide additional feedback and click on submit. Now, if you don't like it, you can click on bad response. You can also click on this button that is modify response, and you have the option to regenerate this response. For example, if you need this response to be shorter, you can select shorter. If you want this length to be bigger, you can choose longer. If you want this script to be simpler, you can select simpler. Now, if you want the tone of this script to be more casual, select this. If you want it to be more professional, select this. Now, you can regenerate a response using all these functionalities available. After this, you'll have option to Google it. Click on Google it, and this will show all the search related topics with this script. Click on more and you'll be able to copy this script. Now after copying, you can navigate to WordPad or any place and paste this script. Now you can make a video using this script pretty easily. So Gemini is an awesome and powerful tool. Now click on this three-dotted icon again, and if you would have any legal issues with the script generated, you can click on report legal issue. After doing this, you have this profile icon at the top right of the screen where you'll see all the profiles or accounts you'll be logged into Gemini. Now you can also click on this upload image button. Click on got it. After that, you'll be able to upload an image from your PC's directory. Click on open. That image will be opened in Gemini AI. Now you can instruct Gemini to alter this image anyhow you want. You can modify it, enhance it, or remove any section. So for example, I will type in a prompt with this image to Gemini. Make this image look more interesting. I'll click on submit, and Gemini will make this image more interesting using its AI capabilities. As you can see, you also can create image with Imagen 3. As you can see, this image has been turned to this. If you like this response, click on good response. Provide additional feedback if you wish. Click on submit, and that will help Gemini to modify its responses. So you can prompt anything you want with the specific things you need to Gemini to generate an awesome image. So the simple way to use it is enter a prompt in this field and Gemini will do whatever you want if it's ethical and adheres to Gemini's terms of services. So that's how you use Gemini AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.